welcome. Today in front of me Oppo A1K, and I'll show you how to check Android version on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then scroll down to the about phone section. Now just here we get the all of information about our software and about our device, and here you will see the Android version section, and as can you see we got our Android version is 9. And now just when you keep tapping you can find the Easter egg of Android 9. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.